Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a Gmail account and a verified phone number. This is required to provision Google Voice. Open Voice. Google.com or the Google Voice section inside Gmail while signed in. Once there, choose your country and allow location or phone permissions so Google can match available numbers. Make sure you select a personal account, not a Workspace account, because Workspace often blocks provisioning. Once done, proceed to search for a number in the interface and reserve one you like. After you find available numbers, pick one that fits your needs. You can search by city or area code to keep it local. Click Claim or Select, and then follow prompts to link it to your Gmail account. Google will ask to verify the forwarding phone by sending a code or placing a verification call. Enter the code when prompted. This ties your new voice number to your existing phone so calls and texts forward properly. Make sure to review voicemail and message settings for forwarding behavior. Finish by customizing settings. Set your voicemail greeting, adjust call screening, and choose whether calls ring your linked devices. Install the Google Voice app on your phone and sign in with the same Gmail so messages sync across devices. If verification fails, retry with the international format plus country code. Ensure your carrier allows verification calls, and enable microphone/call permissions in your browser or app. This one troubleshooting step fixes most provisioning errors. Once everything syncs, test by calling your new Google Voice number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.